In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Wise to Binance. First, open Binance and log into your account. Before sending money from Wise, you need to check which fiat deposit methods are available in your country, because Binance supports different payment options depending on your region and currency. Once you are logged in, go to Wallets, then open your Spot or Fiat and Spot wallet. Tap Deposit, then choose Deposit Fiat. Now select the currency you want to deposit, such as EUR, GBP, or another supported currency. Binance will show the available deposit methods for that currency. Choose bank transfer if it is available. This may appear as SEPA, faster payments, bank transfer, or another local payment method. Carefully read the deposit instructions because Binance will show the bank details you need to use from Wise. Now open your Wise account. From the Wise app or website, choose Send Money or Transfer. Select the currency and enter the amount you want to send. Then add Binance as the recipient using the bank details shown in your Binance deposit page. Make sure you copy the recipient name, IBAN, account number, sort code, reference number, or any other payment details exactly as Binance provides them. If Binance gives you a payment reference, include it in the reference field. This helps Binance match the transfer to your account. Before confirming, double-check that the currency in Wise matches the currency selected in Binance. Also, check the transfer fee, estimated arrival time, and Wise exchange rate if you are converting between currencies. Once everything is correct, confirm the transfer in Wise. Wise may ask you to verify the payment using your password, passkey, phone, or email. After the transfer is sent, go back to Binance and check your fiat deposit history. Depending on the payment method and banking network, the money may arrive quickly or take 1 to 3 business days. When the deposit appears in Binance, you can use it to buy crypto, trade on spot, or keep it as fiat balance. And that's how you transfer money from Wise to Binance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.